Hey everyone, I'm Weller. Today I'll show you how to use Wallpaper Engine. So you've just bought Wallpaper Engine and want to set up your wallpaper. Regular wallpapers are straightforward, of course. You set them and they work. But how do you configure it? Let's say I set a regular wallpaper, right? Here you can even adjust the quality. You can change the car's color to adjust wallpaper quality. See how it works? You can change any wallpaper's color. The rotation speed can be adjusted. There we go. You can flip the image to mirror it. But that's not important. You can choose which display to use, first or second. The quality settings are interesting too. We can increase FPS for smoother motion. Switching to desktop, the car moves much smoother now. Moving on. Here you can select additional settings. This is smoothing. So the image will be pixel free. See, it's become smoother. Post-processing affects texture quality. It improves texture and shadow quality. There's dynamic lighting and glare here. See? Best settings, 30 FPS to 3 MSAA or off. Okay, set this if another program is running. It helps your CPU and RAM handle it. This pauses on other monitors, right? Mute audio from other apps if needed. Stop when display's off. Why run it? It saves power and improves performance. Create rules for specific programs here. See how it works. The animations paused due to this app. But that's all. This was Weller. Goodbye, everyone.